Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. So Samsung's hugely popular Galaxy S range of smartphones is undoubtedly the closest rival to Apple's ubiquitous iPhone, and the S22 series is the next set of phones to arrive, expected in early 2022. But sales slowly declining for the S series flagships, the S22 line has a lot riding on it, and Samsung should be pulling out all the stops to prove that it still makes the best Android phones around. So there are few expected major changes in the upcoming S22 lineup, such as design maintenance, RAM storage space lineup maintenance, design concept maintenance, AMD collaboration. Current test performance is very encouraging, however, due to issues such as yield and mass production. The Exynos 2200 is unconditionally entered in Korea. This step back, camera improvement is also very encouraging, especially Ultra seems to be ultra-like only by its name. Please subscribe to Mrnewmobile channel. It's time for the Samsung Galaxy S22 lineup. Perhaps the most exciting thing about the new range is the AMD-powered Exynos 2200 chipset. As per the latest from Lansik of South Korea's neighbor forum Viatron, only a few regions will get Samsung's chipset. Implies that only a few markets will get the AMD Exynos 2200, and this has nothing to do with the chip's performance. Reports have painted a positive picture, with some going as far to say that the processor is as good as the A14 Bionic chip that powers Apple's iPhone 12 series. Rather, it's because of low yield and mass production issues. It looks like the Exynos 2200 powered Samsung Galaxy S22 will be sold in only a handful of markets, and the list does not include South Korea. This suggests that most regions will get the Snapdragon 898, Qualcomm's next flagship SoC. There's no confirmed date for the release of the next generation of Galaxy S devices, but January 2022 is likely. This would make it a year since the introduction of the Galaxy S21 lineup, which is the normal gap between updates. This isn't as certain as in past years though, as the S21 series actually appeared earlier than expected for the previous recent generation. Samsung usually announced the models in February and released them by the end of that month or early in March. Obviously, COVID has played havoc with production schedules, all of which filters down to when the new models arrive. At the moment, we're quietly confident that January will see the S22 appear, but don't be surprised if Samsung returns to its old schedule instead. It will feel like a particularly long wait this time around, as Samsung has already confirmed that the Galaxy Note 21 won't launch this year, with the Galaxy S21 Ultra and Z Fold 3 supporting the S Pen instead. It rests assured that the Galaxy S22 Ultra will arrive very sooner than expected. So there are no current rumors regards to the camera specs. The features remain the same as per the previous leaks. That is it guys, once I have the latest update I will share it with you guys. Without being said, if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.